To find the WorldPay API, start by visiting the WorldPay website and navigating to the Developer section. This section is dedicated to providing developers with the necessary tools and resources to integrate WorldPay payment solutions into their applications. In the Developer section, you will find the WorldPay API documentation, which includes detailed information on how to use the API, including code examples and tutorials. The API documentation is divided into different sections, each covering a specific aspect of the API, such as payment processing, refunds, and error handling. To access the WorldPay API, you will need to create a test account, which can be done through the WorldPay website. Once you have created your test account, you will be provided with a set of test credentials, including a client ID and a client secret, which you will use to authenticate your API requests. The WorldPay API is a RESTful API, which means that it uses standard HTTP methods, such as GET, POST, and PUT, to interact with the API. The API also uses JSON data formats to send and receive data. When using the WorldPay API, it is essential to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions properly, and using secure authentication methods to protect your credentials. You should also ensure that you comply with the WorldPay terms and conditions, as well as any relevant industry regulations, such as PCI DSS. In terms of practical examples, the WorldPay API provides a range of code examples and sample applications, which demonstrate how to use the API to perform common tasks, such as processing payments and retrieving transaction information. These examples are available in a range of programming languages, including Java, Python, and C#. To get started with the WorldPay API, it is recommended that you start by reviewing the API documentation and testing your integration, using the test account and credentials provided. This will allow you to familiarize yourself with the API and ensure that your integration is working correctly before moving to production.